What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa, where we give customers what they want and deserve. Got a good one for you today. It's the 2024 Intech Luna. This cutting-edge teardrop travel trailer is a great innovation from Intech RV. Got cutting-edge features and durable construction. We're going to go over all of that. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like, a comment, and make sure you're subscribed.
Step inside and you'll find a spacious 60-inch by 80-inch bed, perfect for a restful night's sleep. Ventilation is taken care of by the Max Air vent fan, ensuring a fresh breeze throughout your journey. The bubble foil insulation in the walls and ceiling keeps you comfortable, while storage options like upper cubbies, overhead cabinets, and front bench cabinets provide ample space for all your essentials. The infinity woven flooring adds a touch of luxury, and for entertainment, there's a Bluetooth stereo with 4 speakers and a 32-inch TV. Stay cool with the 8K BTU AC and keep your devices charged with outlets including one 12-volt outlet with 2 USB ports and one 120-volt outlet. Enjoy the view through 2 tinted windows with shades and screens, and it's also got an integrated cassette toilet up front, giving you freedom to do your business peacefully in your trailer. Now let's take a step outside and check out the Luna's outdoor kitchen, a culinary haven on the road. Featuring a large upper shelf, a convenient cubby in the backsplash, one upper cabinet, one lower cabinet, and one lower pantry cabinet, this kitchen is designed for convenience. Wash dishes in the large farmhouse-style sink with a brushed nickel faucet, cook up a storm on the 2-burner stainless steel cooktop, and you can opt to keep things cool by adding the 40-quart 12-volt cooler, and you could really step up your cooking game by adding the optional microwave as well. Moving on to the construction, you'll find a robust frame built for adventure. An all-aluminum, all-tube cage frame. The 2-inch ball coupler ensures easy towing, and the rear 2-inch receiver with a 175-pound capacity is ready for your outdoor gear. The off-road tires on aluminum wheels provide reliable travel, and the 30-amp load center, solar prep, and fiberglass exterior on a one-piece fiberglass roof are just a few of the highlights of this camper's sturdy construction. But wait, there's more! The Luna offers an innovative Rover package, enhancing your camping experience. This gets you the off-road tires, rugged decals, and an adjustable roof rack, integrated side steps, and an aluminum tube rear bumper. All this takes your adventure to the next level.
Overall, the Intech Luna is a great option if you're looking for a teardrop travel trailer with cutting-edge features and durable construction. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and a comment letting me know what you think of it, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss a video. If you want to learn more about this one and other units we have, come check out our website, premierrv.com, or call the number on screen, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.